installation on the VirtualBox.
So, ano nga ba yung mga OS, operating system, na pwede natin i-install?
There are two popular OS installer, which is the Windows and Linux.
So, those popular installers comes with different version. So, example natin sa Linux is the Ubuntu. Then, the older version ng Windows is XP and Vista. And the modern is Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7.
But in this video, we will show you the Windows 10 version installation.
So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na!
Hi, first things first, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Mablin Jesus. So in this video, for the first step is how to install the VirtualBox. So as you can see in this screen right here, which you can download it for internet or for the website called VirtualBox. If you wanted to download the VirtualBox, it's in description down below. So you can download anytime for your computer. So in this case bar at the top, which you can see as files, machine, and help. So for the files, you can see the preferences, import and export, and so on. So if you can see here in this bottom, so you can add in here, which it calls new. So it actually creates the VirtualBox for your machines, like for Windows machine, Macs, Linux machines, so you can able to install Windows 10 for any platforms, of course for internet channels. And you can input in here for any name, like for example my name, which Mabi, and the machine folder, which you can actually for locations on where you can actually save your work for VirtualBox. So in this, for Windows, Microsoft Windows, Linux, Solaris, and any type of versions that you wanted to run. And of course, it's the same of versions, which 7, 8, Vista, 10, and so on. So you see for next in here, for intermemory size. So we can actually use it for recommended memory size. But you can actually use for any memories, like which maximum or for lower memories. So I should probably go in here in the middle. So I'm gonna click next, and for the next step is for the hard disk. So you can click it in here for create virtual hard disk now. So you can actually for optional, if you want optional, for do not virtual hard disk and use existing hard disk if you already exist for your work. If you're new for VirtualBox, then click in the middle, which says the create virtual hard disk now. Click create, and then choose the VDI, so which means for VDI VirtualBox disk image. And click next. We're gonna choose for default for 4.00 MB, which if you want a TB, I mean for TB, of course, choose it optional if you want. So click create, and then now you have the thing that you wanted.
So, hello guys! I am Abigail Hernandez. So, kanina sinabi na ni Mabili sa napaka-grabe. Alam kong nararamdaman nyo rin, nararamdaman namin. So, sinabi niya na yung first step sa VirtualBox, which is the installation ng VirtualBox, tsaka yung mga yung link na pwede nyong puntahan para ma-download yung OS, yung mga OS or yung VirtualBox mismo. So, sinabi niya na rin yung paano natin i-run yung application, then yung pagsiselect ng RAM, then yung pag-allocate ng hard drive dun sa VirtualBox para sa ating OS. So, next step natin ay kailangan na nating i-start yung ginawa nating example. So, ito, click na natin yung start. Right-click muna, then start, normal start. Pagka-click nyo ng normal start, so, wait lang po natin ng konti habang pinaprocess niya yung mga in-input natin na data or mga allocation na data. So, ayan, may lalabas dito na select start up disk. So, hahanapin natin yung OS installer na dinownload natin. So, select nyo yung folder. Tapos, hanapin natin yung installer na ating dinownload. So, select. Then, open. Tapos, pagka-openin nyo, click nyo yung start. So, wait ulit. Be patient. Patient. Rather. Yan. So, makikita nyo yung logo ng OS na napili ninyo. So, napili namin dito is Windows 10. Yan. Nag-load siya. So, sa pag-install or sa paggamit nitong VirtualBox, pwede muna kayong uminom ng kape, kumain ng tinapay, or ano. Tapos pag lumabas na siya, yan, makikita niyo yung Windows setup. So, select natin yung, pwede kayong mag-select ng language, kung iba man ang lingwahe ninyo. Tapos, time and currency format. Maraming options. Then, the keyboard input. So, US lang tayo dahil the universal language. So, kung tapos na kayo mag-set up sa una, then click next. Tapos, lalabas yung install now. Click nyo install now. Then, wait ulit dahil nagsiset up na. So, we have to have a lot of patience. Ayan, so may bigla magpapapap ulit. So nakalagay dito, select the operating system you want to install. So meron tayong options dito na Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 Education, Windows 10 Enterprise, so on and so forth. So, dito na tayo sa Windows 10 Home. Then, next natin. Ayan. Ayan. So, nalabas dito is applicable notices and license term. So, basahin po natin kung babasahin nga ba. Then, click yung check, I accept the license term. Then, click yung next. Then, yan. May lalabas dito na which type of installation do you want. So, pipili tayo. May dalawa tayong option dito, which is the upgrade and custom. So, sa upgrade, okay dito, install Windows and keep file settings and applications. Sa custom, install Windows only. So, anong gusto nyo? Ako, gusto ko mag-custom. Tapos, itong custom na to, i-explain to ng ating next speaker. So, yun na.
So, hello guys, ako naman si Marikay Rebo. Well, yung mga nauna sa akin, mga nag-i-English yan, ano? Well, ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay ito na, magpa-partition tayo, which is hahatiin natin yung itong memory na nakalagay dito, which is 32.0 gig. Gagawin natin, i-click natin to, tapos sa new. Well, yung 32.0 gig, di-divide tayo sa 2, which is mahati siya sa dalawa. Ang pwedeng posibleng lumabas doon ay 16 gig. Then, pwede natin. Tapos apply. Wait lang tayo. Well, yung lumabas dito ay Windows setup. Okay lang natin siya. Sige na, wait lang ng onte. Medyo yan, meron na tayo. Ito yung 64. Ito yung nahati, yung 579.0 MB na naging 16.4 gig. Ngayon, ang mag-aano natin, i-next natin siya kasi meron na tayong fix na magiging gig natin para sa ating Windows 10. Next lang natin. Na, maghihintay lang tayo ng medyo siguro konting tagal kasi tingnan niyo naman, nag-i-install na siya. Matagal ko, tingnan mo 0%. Pwede po kayo mag-merienda pa lang kayo. Ready for installing. Okay. Tingnan naman, 1%. Ang tagal-tagal na yan.
Madeline again. So, hindi natapos yung part nila. Is it because mabagal yung installation ng Windows 10? So, hinintay ko siya about 10 to 15 minutes. So, nagpre-prepare na po siya. Okay, now, here I select I own it. And then, select po natin. Okay, here, enter your Microsoft email and password. So, hindi ko na po siya ilalagay yung email ko. So, isi-skip na lang po natin. Create an account for this PC. So, I'm gonna name it Mavi na lang. And you can also enter password, pero hindi ko na po siya ilalagay because I'm too lazy. Para mabilis na po. Okay, now, meron ka na pong Windows 10. So, yun lang po. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10. Before you install the Windows 10, this process will delete all the files, such as pictures, games, and other information on your hard drive. So, make sure po to have a backup, okay? So, magda-download po tayo ng Windows 10 from the Microsoft support website. So, if hindi nyo po nahanap yung website, isasend ko na lang po sa inyo yung link. It's in the description. So, okay. Okay, before we start, tingnan muna natin yung operating system. We're using whether it is 64 or 32-bit ang gamit natin. So, right-click natin yung PC, click Properties, sa System, look whether it's 64 or 32. So, now we can continue.
Hi guys! My name is Marcelina Lopez. This video is about the actual installation of OS Windows 10. So the first step is download the Windows 10 installer. So we provide the link and click the description below. So then the second step is install the Windows 10 using the bootable flash drive and DVD.
Okay, now click Create Installation Media for another PC. So, click po natin. And then, click Next. Now, select the correct language, architecture, and edition as required. So, iselect po natin ng English. And then, ang gamitin na lang po natin Windows 10. Okay, now, yung architecture, ang aking operating system ko po ay 64-bit. So, set po natin dito. And then, click next. Okay, may pagpipilian po dito, USB flash drive or ISO file. So, ginagamit ko po yung flash drive, so we're gonna choose the USB flash drive. So, click po natin, and then, next. So, nagda-download na po siya. So, hintayin po natin. Okay, this is gonna take too long, so isi-skip ko na lang. Labas na po siya ng Windows setup. So, alam ko napanood nyo na po yung sa VirtualBox. It is actually the same. So, if you forget, you forgot the process, the steps, you can now watch the previous ones. So, ayoko po siyang ulitin. So, pare-parehas lang po siya. So, yeah. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more. That will be helpful for us to keep going. So, that's it. And